Welcome to Ngobotonten Sharp Eyes channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! Organ Bafit. For life. This is Ngobotonten Sharp Eyes channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. Brother, how's it?
I'm alright, Joseph.
Good, man. Your take on the game?
Thank you so much. My take on the game, I feel like our boys were a bit scared. That is the thing.
Them, yeah.
They respected them, and we didn't penetrate that team as much as we should.
Yeah.
And I feel like we should have scored from outside the end area. We should have a short long range.
But that's right.
Yeah, he did. Thanks to him. But I feel like other players as well should have done the same.
Exactly,
If you look at, there was a Tito Maswanganyi shot, which was
Corner kick.
deflected, and again, the shot that was deflected as well. I think that we should have done that consistently in the match. I think we should have. Maybe we would have gotten a goal if we had done that consistently. But in any case, maybe it's okay. We got a draw. It's fine. And our coach has showed Uguti is very, very good in game management. So I feel like Uguti, the way he managed the game, we got a draw. We might have lost the game because those guys, Pyramids, also got a lot of chances, which they could have converted. Two chances that we survived through VAR. I think they were fair. I don't know. I was watching from the stadium. Maybe if you watch from the TV, we can judge better.
But VAR never made a mistake.
Understand? But I think they were perfect decisions. I understand. I think they were perfect decisions. And the other thing that I want to thank is like Kaizer Chiefs supporters. I saw a couple of them in the stadium. Thank you so much, guys. I know we are rivals local, but when it comes to the country, you have shown Uguti you stand with us. Because even through Manyama game, knockout stages, group stages, I've seen Kaizer Chiefs supporters, and not a lot of them, but those that were there, they truly supported Orlando Pirates. Uvuyo, I don't know, Vuyo, if you are listening, thank you so much. We appreciate it. From his heart, he supports Pirates whenever we're playing. I think we need to do that. We need to stand with South Africa. Let's support Orlando Pirates. Let's support Sundowns. Let's support Stellenbosch. Let's try and push our teams because it's for the benefit of our country. Let's put our country in the map out there. Guys, our country is not looked as a good country. People have got a wrong perspective about South Africa. Let's put our country out there. Even if I hope Kaizer Chiefs also qualifies for the CAF Confederations Cup.
They qualified automatically.
They qualified already. So please, when they play, let's go out there. Let's try and support our clubs. Please, I know we are rivals locally, but when we are playing in Africa, let's stand together. Because South Africa, we need to stand together. We need to evaluate our country. We need to put our country out in the map. Let's put our country out there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.